Hi and welcome. I'm Sean from the Sean's 2 Cents. And I'd like to tell you, on December 31st, the Stormy One from the Stormy Show and me, the Sean from the Sean's 2 Cents, we're doing a live web show. December 1st, we'll have time and date soon. It's going to be a good show. We're doing our year-end awards and bullshit for 4 hours until New Year's. It's the first live show, so watch it. If you like the videos, watch this live web show. It'll be on Stickum.com. Just wait for it. It'll be on. And for more information, just go to Sean's 2 Cents. And it's going to be good. Me and Stormy are going to talk about wrestling and movies and TV and all the stuff that happened during the year. We'll have some special guests, and we'll have my best friend Daniel Hernandez right there. Daniel. Don't last name. Daniel will be there. So, it's going to be a good show. And I look forward to having people on here. Just give your questions in the comments. What questions you want us to ask, what awards you want us to give out. It's going to be about wrestling and anything. So, just give out your questions. December 31st, 8 o'clock Pacific time. We're going to start. We'll start soon. We'll get the time soon. But yeah, live the Sean's 2 Cents. I might not be on this week for an episode, but this will hold you over. And I like to have a Merry Christmas, because I like Christmas. I celebrate. I don't see it as a religious holiday. I just see it as Christmas. And I got a nice webcam and my nice shirt, Big Bang Theory Bazinga. Like it. Big Bang Theory, one of the best comedies on TV. Watch it. It's coming back in January. It's on sports season. It's been pretty good. Some best shows. Not as good as Modern Family, but it's still good. So that is a live web show, December 31st. The Sean's 2 Cents, the Stormy One from the Stormy Show. You watch both shows, you're a fan of us, watch the show. It's gonna be some fun and entertaining stuff. I tell you, I don't know what to expect. It's my first live show. And every video is over 10 views. It's fantastic. Let's get that one video from 95 to 100. Come on, let's get to 100 views on one video. We have 15 subscribers. That's really good. Sean's 2 Cents is doing good. The page is doing good. Facebook.com/NWA The Man is doing good. So yeah, like the page, bookmark it, favorite. It's a lot of stuff. It's more of a website than a page because I can't afford a website now, and that's like the cheapest thing to do. And I just share links and do commentary. And now we have a wrestling video of the day by my friend Andrew, and we now have a song of the day picked by me or Andrew. So that sounds pretty good. We have SmackDown reviews, Raw reviews, pay-per-view recaps. We have the Stormy Show on there. We have No Mercy show. We have my show, Sean's 2 Cents. We have all the entertainment news you want. We have Ralph, his movie of the day, and his TV show, show to watch column, which will be coming soon. And coming soon, what to watch tonight. I know I slacked on the column that we used to be on every day. But yeah, 251 likes on there. And also, we're on Twitter at the Sean's 2 Cents. Everything on the page goes right there, so follow us there. Or just bookmark and favorite us. Just visit the page, like and comment on the page and stuff, and do it. Yeah, it's a good page, and the web show will be on. I do it twice a week, and the Stormy Show will be on every weekend. It's talking about wrestling, and that's what we're talking about. And in his video game reviews. So, Sean's 2 Cents. I'm hoping next year, well, it will be a big year. 2012 is the year of the Sean's 2 Cents. That's what I'm hoping. And I'm hoping that it will be good. So it's been bigger than I expected. I just started a small page just because I want to share entertainment news. When there's a big movie being announced, I want to announce it. When there's a trailer out, I want to see it. I know you can look this stuff up, but that's why one page is fun. I want a community of people that like the same stuff as me and have fun. I like doing my web show. It's doing good. And next year, I hope to get even bigger. This is not number 15. This is a special preview show of everything coming up next. Coming up, we got a live show December 1st. And this week will be a new show. I hope so. My dad's home during the week, so I don't know. It's hard to do a web show with my dad and my sister here because it's kind of hard to concentrate. I get easily distracted during my shows. So, Merry Christmas to you, and like this video, comment. I'll share this video on Facebook and stuff. So, like the Sean's 2 Cents on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, bookmark, favorite it, do everything you want. So, be sure to join us December 31st, Stickum.com. The Stormy One and the Sean's 2 Cents. We'll be here with a live web show. We'll be with you till midnight. You might see some crazy shit. So, Sean off.